Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the saved log on feature or login feature on TikTok. So if you don't want to enter in your credentials every time you open up TikTok, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on the save login feature on TikTok. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile and select the profile button in the bottom right if you are unsure of how to get to this page, and select the hamburger icon at the top right. Left click on that and then go down and select settings and privacy. Underneath settings and privacy, select security and permissions. And then where it says save login info, log into your account on this device without needing to enter your info, or on a new device when you restore your backup. If you want to turn that on, just have it toggled to the right here as you see on my screen. If you do not want it to save login info, just left click inside the oval to turn that off, and it should be grayed out once that's done, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.